what if you teach your sister, your mother, a technical concept? Because that's the way we onboard. We onboard through trust, through building community.
This bill now comes to provide a safe space. We'll only be working with regulated players, people that you know, okay, they're regulated by either the central bank or the capital markets authority, and I can work with them. If I lose my money, I have a recourse. I can go to CMA and complain.
I kind of fell into the creative space of Bitcoin because there was nothing there that represented us. Us, I mean, Tanzania, East Africa.
What about Bitcoin?
This is just a reminder. Graduation is not the end of the journey. It is just the beginning. So go out to the world, apply your knowledge, apply yourself, and start to win.